All right, you guys, it's Wednesday, and I'm so excited to fill you in on skincare for your home care regimen, where you can save and where you should be splurging. Save. You save on cleanser, toner, a scrub, moisturizer, and SPF. I'm going to get into detail here in a moment. Splurge on growth factors, vitamin C serum, retinols, glycolic and lactic-based products, corrections, so anything that you're correcting on your skin, whether it's pigment or acne or just simply lax skin. And finally, eye cream. Unless you're using eye cream to depuff, in which case you actually want to look particularly for eye creams with caffeine. And if it's an immediate depuffing emergency situation, weddings, celebrations where you're gonna see a lot of people and you wanna look your absolute best and you just had a sleepless night for whatever reason, Preparation H. I think Oprah actually even mentioned that years and years ago. So it still works, it's still something that you can use. So back to the beginning, and I'm going to break this down in detail in my next video.